Today we have the Rinehart racing exhaust for the Harley Davidson Street Rod 750. Every time I ride it I notice very small pieces of the baffle and the muffler flaking out. Sort of sounds bad, but in a way it's good because it means the exhaust is only going to get louder. So we'll do a sound test now, but I'm going to stand right back, maybe 20 meters. Just so we can get the full sound. Just give me a second to set up the camera. All right. So there we have it, some crackle and pop from Rinehart Racing on the Harley Davidson 750 Street Rod.